What the hell happens between 1 and 4 p.m? Yesterday I had energy in the morning, but by 1 p.m. my bed was flirting with me, and I gave in. Our mission for the next 5 days is to find out how we can be energized in the afternoon with no naps. This is level 2 of Fix My Life like a video game series. If I complete the mission, I level up and get a star. And if I fail, nothing changes. And I'm tired of things not changing. You in? To understand why I'm always tired in the afternoon, here is a quick rundown how my day-to-day goes. My average day starts at 5 a.m. She's already sitting at her desk and eating egg with rice? Okay. A little deep work session, I guess, and oh, an appointment I forgot I booked. Oh cool, it's already 1 p.m. This is the part where it all starts going downhill. Let's investigate the crime scene. I did some digging and it turns out I'm not the only one that is facing this enemy. It's because of something called the post-lunch dip. It sounds pretty fancy, but it's just basically that your brain has a little sleepy moment during the mid-afternoon. And if you ate carbs, your energy first goes up and then it goes down like it's a Monday morning. Great that today's Tuesday. Maybe it was the rice. And it doesn't matter if you sleep 8 hours, it just happens naturally. So yeah, our mission, we're basically fighting our own biology. It's not a big deal. I mean, I won't give up that easily. And every level comes with enemies and weapons. I'm so tired right now. I think it's the perfect time for Operation Brushing Teeth. So my energy level before is 35 out of 100. I did a little bit of research and I found out that mint should wake up your brain. And I was like, what? Because maybe my brain thinks it is morning. I hope this will help. I don't have only mint. There are like other things in there. For example, what is that? Salvia? That was a lot. Oh, I forgot the water. I think my energy level now is like a 40 out of 100. I still feel tired, so it didn't work. We need to try something else. How about... Oh my god, I feel so awake right now. Like it's a 80 out of 100. I think I can go back to work. Okay, yeah, this was a fail, but actually you never really fail. You just learn and from your... Yeah, you just learn. I'm not sleeping right now. I'm just laying here. This is not sleep. I'm gonna stand up now. Turns out they don't fix the actual root of the afternoon crash and results are short term. I am trying something today. No carbs before dinner. For breakfast we're definitely gonna go... Oh my god, no. Ooh. We're gonna go with eggs. That is so random. Why does my egg look so weird? It's looking juicy. They are pretty old. But I'm gonna eat them anyways, because they're still good. If there wouldn't be any carrots in there, it would look very sad. So now it looks happy. Hopefully we won't be standing in the kitchen at 11 a.m. again. Protein and fat in the morning takes longer to digest, so because of that your energy gets released more slowly instead of all at once. Apparently this stops your blood sugar from spiking. We'll see. Carbs will hit you fast. It's like throwing a party for your blood sugar at 8 in the morning. It's crazy for 20 minutes and then everyone leaves and you are just sitting there, tired. It's time for lunch. I'm lazy. Because of that, I'm gonna use my meal prep. And I realized that everything is actually just protein and fiber except the potatoes. Because guess what? Potatoes, carbs. Ew, oh my god, there's a hair in my food. Oh my god, it looks so fancy. This is where I normally throw in pasta or rice. But not today. Protein and veggies only. I think the rice really betrayed me because I feel so good right now. Like genuinely, my energy is a 100 out of 100. What? Since when do I feel so good? Not gonna lie, I miss bread, but... Oh my god, wait, my food is burning! Ah! By the way, I'm just doing it for one day because my days are basically copy-paste, so if there's any change in my energy, I'm gonna notice it. Yay, we have food. It's lunchtime and I did not snack. That's weird. My energy level is 95 out of 100. It is still very good. it's a new day and I seem like I have a lot of energy, but actually I've been working right now and I just want to go to sleep. I am so tired. Okay, I just did a little bit of research and I found another weapon and another hack that we can try. Maybe I should become an actor because I think when I watch the footage, I will just seem so energized. Let's just stop the act. I am so tired. I slept so bad last night. Basically, I'm calling this weapon do something unexpected because this is exactly what we're gonna do now. I realized that my days are pretty repetitive and because of that, I'm always tired at 1 p.m. because my body just got used to that. I'm trying to be like really energized right now, even though I'm not, but I need to break the pattern. Let's shake things up and do a little dance party. We just hope that movement will wake up my nervous system.
It's acting cool. It's a zone I for you. Like you.
On a good morning again. Okay, I am tired. I think that was not the goal. I can't tell if I am tired or if I'm exhausted. But actually, wait, I feel so energized now and I was just dancing for 10 minutes or something. I would say my energy level now is a 90 out of 100. This doesn't mean anything. Let's get back to work and then let's see if it's still there in 2 hours. I just watched the footage and why am I with my feet like... Did it work? Yes. No. A movement break helped me concentrate better. I did some deep work for around 2 hours, but then I got tired again. I don't know. I'll give this hack a 6 out of 10. Maybe I should have moved around after those 2 hours, but I didn't. You're probably asking yourself too right now, why is she standing like that? 2 minutes like this is supposed to make you more confident and give you more energy. Let's see if this works. When I'm sitting at my desk, sometimes I'm doing this. But now I need to do this. And this feels good. I don't know. I still feel a little bit tired, to be honest. I think it's time that we add part 2. Sometimes we are just tired sitting at the same place every day. Apparently, changing where you are can wake you up. Switching locations to work? Yeah, but on day 5, I'm really curious to see if this will work. If your body think it's nap time, go outside. The sun apparently tells your brain to stop making melatonin. And it also should boost serotonin. I have no idea how this stuff is called, but it should make you feel more alive, more awake, and give you more energy. So sun, please don't let me down. If I can be honest, I don't feel more awake right now. I just feel fried. I don't know if this is helping or not. How long should I actually stay in the sun? I have no idea if this worked or not. But what I can say is that I still feel tired. Did I earn my star? Yeah, I think little Zabi deserves it. Because great, now we know what we'll do in the afternoon when we are tired. We're gonna eat no carbs before dinner, we're gonna move our body, and we're gonna do a location switch. Not everything worked, but that's the point. Because we tested it and then we learned it. By the way, I'm filming that with my iPad right now because I wanted to do like a phone detox. And actually this looks really fancy. I don't know, I think this shot looks really interesting, right? I guess it's time to see what level 3 throws at me. Oh my god, wait. That was a nice ending sentence. Maybe I should end the video now. Okay, cut.